If I was given the opportunity to meet with Dr. Pettit and discuss a concern representing the student body, honestly, I probably would focus on the idea of dress code. And I know as touchy as a subject that can be difficult to really address that in the right way. But one of the concerns I have is just the inconsistency with some of the rules and some of the enforcing. I noticed several times in this semester we have been called out in chapel and asked to follow certain rules in hall meetings, being reminded that, hey, we're supposed to follow these rules. And I feel like there isn't enough of a punishment or even enough representation for the higher ups to punish, that students are getting away with it. And something I would suggest, and this might be already in place and it's just not enforced, but just providing professors and even GAs with the ability to call out students and maybe punish them in ways that pertains to academics to keep this idea of professionalism. Because I realize the whole idea of this dress code, especially during classes, is to create this idea of professionalism. And when it's not followed, it can be frustrating on students that are following it. And so maybe providing a way to enforce this and keep it consistent would encourage students to follow it better. Especially if you aren't consistent with the punishment, it encourages students to be rebellious, and then other students see other students not following rules, and then it becomes a chain reaction. So it'd be something I would want to discuss and maybe pick Dr. Pettit's brain about, and maybe discuss with him. It's just different ways we can approach that to make it fair and consistent. And that way we're not creating a sense of rebellion and just, help focus on the idea of keeping this professionalism that we have around our university and allowing students to be treated all fairly and follow the rules the right way.